Alright, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update of 1000 days challenge. This is day 909, so let's get things started. Alright, so on the S&P 500 itself, it formed a nice green bullish candlestick itself, but bear in mind the reason why it's green is not so much so that the price actually moved to the upside, but more so as a consolidation period itself. So this does goes to show certain signs of strength. As you can see, we actually gap up earlier today. But bearing in mind that as long as you're falling within the range itself, this single candlestick itself still remains relatively neutral rather than bullish in that sense. So that's something to take note of. On the other hand, for the Nasdaq itself, definitely leans towards bullish. So similarly, open lower, and then we actually close near the top of the range itself, but actually still lower than previous day close and also the previous day close. But more importantly, this also signifies the importance of this downslope trend line kind of resistance. And we are showing a very nice 10 break actually right now, but also getting clear rejection of it. So the key thing is that we do actually want to consolidate over here, perhaps even for extended period of time until, let's say, the mid of February itself, in which case a break above this resistance zone will give a very nice push towards upside to even this 12.6K region itself. So this will give a very nice decent upside, approximately 4%, approximately 4% gain in that sense. So that's something that we definitely do want to see, and that will potentially only be a good trade setup if and only if we have a very nice and tight consolidation period itself. And we move along in terms of ASH-wise, similarly, they show signs of strength on the China equity market. We see some sort of slight consolidation over here, even though it's very clear there's a resistance point over here. So here's a retest, and then we have a very nice retest, and then we got rejected. And then now we're very retesting it over here. I do think that we could have a very decent pullback, giving time for these 20 exponential moving average to catch up before we have a very nice and decisive break above it. But until then, a little bit not confident that this break will actually be successful, and it's more likely to consolidate within this range or even have a stronger pullback because we actually tried to break up, and this would result in people who buy earlier with a tight stop loss. We actually trigger the stop loss, and then we actually go off to sell off. And then after that, the buyers will be willing to buy and step in again, and then for us to move towards the upside again. All right, and then in the case of KWAVE itself, nice consolidation. I don't think we are having a nice break above just yet, simply because we still have some distance away from the 20 exponential moving average. You see over here, we have a very nice bounce only after we touches it. Similarly for over here, touches it, nice bounce, touches it, nice bounce. So until that has happened, I don't think we're going to see a very convincing kind of a nice bounce, and I still think that we are in a consolidation period right now. And over in terms of Bitcoin itself, similarly, same thing. On the 4-hourly chart itself, we did touch over here, but I didn't enter with this with a buy stop order, very simple. Simply because of the fact that we don't have a very nice false break. I wanted to retest this 50 simple moving average because firstly, we already retested this to show that this isn't the decisive 20 exponential moving average on the 4-hour chart. It's not the decisive factor for Bitcoin at the moment on the 4-hour chart. And if we look in terms of daily chart lines, we are definitely gapping up quite significantly off of it. So again, it's not going to be a nice form of support, at least in the near term wise. So to me, we will at the very minimum have to test this 50 simple moving average. And if we do test it, shows a very nice signs of support, then I'll consider it a potential long with a break above this high itself. But bear in mind that right now it's choppy. So with this kind of unexpected kind of false break setup, they could have a very unexpected false break towards the downside as well. So I'm staying clear of the market and only enter when there's very clear and nice price action overall. All right, so with that said, I come to the end of today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop by your comments below, or see you guys tomorrow. Take care.